Okay, so this is my Rynox tank bag, which is named as Rynox Optimus M2 MV2. Okay, so as it is written, it is designed by Rynox and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, which here you can keep your wallet and all things. Even you can keep over here the wallet and all things. This is the important thing which they have given here. So this thing is used for keeping your phone, and you can navigate here as you saw in my previous video. Next is like the bag. The bag is of 31 liters and you will get a rain cover on it. It is not waterproof, it is water resistance. Let me open and show you how it looks from inside. Okay, when you open this tank bag, it looks something like that, and it has a good protection from here everywhere. You can fit almost a helmet inside your tank bag. अगर आपका tank is not magnetic, then you can use 1, 2, 3 these all things to strip this bag on your tank. And one more thing I can show you if possible. Yes, if I remove this zip fully, which has been stripped from here till here and here, so let me show you. Okay, you can see this thing. This tank bag is converted into a backpack, so it is a very good thing they have thought for us, and we can use this tank bag for as a backpack also. Okay, so right now the tank bag is fully filled up, and you can imagine also what is inside my tank bag. Let me show you what is inside my tank bag. And for your information, I have extended my tank bag over from here. You get a zip which can be opened, and when you open the zip, your tank bag gets expanded from down. So let me show you. So if you can see, a whole LS2 helmet can fit inside your tank bag, and this is the specialty of this tank bag named Rynox Optimum VM2. So this was the proper, you can say a proper information about the Rynox tank bag which I had. So the main question comes ki like kitne ko liya. So the thing is like I brought it for 3,450 rupees, and the navigator comes for 1999. So navigator lene se acha it's better you go for this bag only. Navigator comes for 2,000, and if you get 1,500 more, you can buy this bag. Now navigator is something 10 to 12 liters, which is okay to keep just a DSLR, a lens and a wallet, and it gets full. So better you pay 1,500 more for it and go for this bag. So rest it's all your decision key for which bag you have to go. And yes, this is even, sorry for my parrot, he's in kitchen and he's getting irritated. So yeah, and one more thing, even this bag is suggested by the Mumbaikar Nikhil every time. This is the best bag you can buy ever in the market. And that's all for the video. If you like the video, please share the video, hit a like button if you like the information, and subscribe.